Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Photoshop and enabling Firefly, Sign and Sew prompts access models. Next, load or create your canvas, set resolution and color mode so outputs match print or web. Now write your first prompt. Name the subject, the visual style, and one constraint like palette or aspect ratio. Explain why. Constraints guide the model and prevent wasted variations. Once done, run the prompt at low iterations to preview. This first pass gives a base to refine and avoids long waits. You now evaluate the generated set and pick candidates to iterate. Choose 3 to 6 variations so you can compare composition, lighting, and subject accuracy. This gives options without wasting time. For targeted fixes, mask the area and use Firefly in Paint with a precise local prompt. That's faster than global edits. Also adjust creativity and fidelity sliders to control stylization versus realism and lock layers you want preserved. This step-by-step control yields usable results while keeping files. You finish by flattening or exporting the file in the appropriate format. Keep a PSD for future edits and export PNG or JPG for delivery. Then apply final color grading, sharpening, and non-destructive adjustments so the image reads well across devices. If you spot artifacts or odd details, a quick remedy is to remask the area and rerun in Paint with a tighter prompt or reduce creativity to favor fidelity. Make sure to save incremental versions so you can roll back if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.